What's happening, sports fans? Welcome back to another episode with Mom and Papa Joe. On the menu today are doner kebabs. We want to show you how we went from this to these beautiful doner kebabs. Let's get it. All right, so the first thing we're going to do today is get this doner kebab meat prepared. These are 3 small baby sweet peppers, piece of yellow onions, about 4 or 5 garlic cloves that I've got minced, some parsley, got some paprika, and a little bit of Cavender Greek seasoning. These amounts will be in the description, folks. I don't want this too fine. Here's our ground meat. I've got a pound of ground lamb, and this is just a little more than a pound of ground beef. We're going all in. This processor is a little small. Didn't realize how small it was. I think that's gonna do us. We don't want this like a pate texture. We want it just before that. So we're gonna get it out of here, and I will mix in my seasonings by hand. 1.5 tablespoons of Cavender's Greek seasoning and 1 teaspoon of paprika, sweet smoky paprika. And we want to give this a nice mix. You're looking for something like this, folks, that's a little on the sticky side. We're going to put this back in the fridge for about 15-20 minutes just to get it to firm back up a little bit. Sports fan, I just realized I left out a major ingredient, about 1/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt. Wow, can't believe I did that. All right, so we're going back into the fridge for about another 10 minutes. While our doner meat is cooling down, we're gonna make a couple of condiments for these doner kebabs. I've got here 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon, this might be 2 cloves, of some grated garlic, shake of some dried parsley, shake of some black pepper, pinch of salt to taste, mix well. If you can make this overnight, even better. We'll set this aside. Next is going to be the onion sumac salad. This is about 1/2 of a large red onion, about 1.5 teaspoons of sumac. That's citrusy herb. Nice pinch of parsley, actually. Go with all that. Want about a good tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. A little salt to taste. Ooh, not that much. Give this a good mix, and we'll set this aside. All right, folks, we've given this almost a 1/2 hour to cool down. What we're gonna do now is we're going to take a piece of parchment paper. I'm gonna try to break this down into 4 even pieces. All right, I think that's 1. Then I'll come back with a piece of greased. I put a little oil on the other side of this parchment paper to minimize sticking. Now what I want to do is just spread this out fairly thinly. I don't want it getting outside of the parchment paper, but if it does, I can always squeeze it back in there. I'm going to use a roller. You don't want to go too thin. All right, and when you're satisfied with the thinness, you want to take that off. And what I'm going to do is start rolling. All right, and that's 1. Come back with a second one. And try folding this one. And this is our last one. And folks, these are going into the oven. I wish I'd have did this first one like these 3, but not a problem. Our oven has been preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And right here, we're looking about 20 minutes. This one may be 25. All right, we're at 25 minutes, folks. Let's get these off of here. And I'm gonna turn my oven to broil. What I'm gonna do is pour off this juice. Oh, good and hot. And we're gonna roll them off of here. and only the top side that was exposed got color. So this is why the oven is on broil right now. So what you want to do here is just kind of open them up. If you know anything about doner kebabs, you know they're usually shaved off of that cone-shaped meat stacked in front of the rotisserie. So one side has got color and the other side is usually, you know, the fresh cut meat. And that's what we're gonna do here. So what you want to do is just expose some of the parts that aren't exposed. I'm gonna hit this with a little oil, duck fat. You can use butter. And we're gonna put this under the broiler for about 5-7 minutes max, just to get a little color. All right, we've given this a good 7 minutes. And now you just want to come in here and you just want to tear this up. Coming off of that rotisserie, they're all irregular shapes. So you're not looking for anything uniform. Some of the edges are crispy. Oh yeah. I love being able to see these red pepper flakes. All right, that's beautiful. It's time to put sandwiches together. Here, folks, we've got some beautiful hot pita bread. What we want to do is just come in here with a nice dollop and spread that around. We want to get her filled. We want some of these onions, a little piece of a tomato. All right, here we are, sports fans. I'm telling you, this is absolutely delicious. These are fully loaded. Got good mayonnaise, yogurt sauce, pickled onions, some tomatoes. Wow. One more. That's totally worth it, folks. The hardest part in the rolling. Everything will be in the description, folks. You can do this. You want to do this. Awesome. I want to thank you guys and gals as usual for hanging out with Mom and Papa Joe. We really appreciate it. Be on the lookout for another video coming very soon. As usual, Mom and I want you guys to take care of yourselves, love each other, and we'll see you when we see you. Holla.